I'm trying to go ahead and crank these videos out while my energy good. Stock, crypto, credit, moves. Good evening, YouTube. April 23rd, 2022, 9:56 Eastern Time, PM. We're back for another live withdrawal with Baked Beans. So this Baked Beans account is doing about 2.5 BNB a day. So today is actually my withdrawal day. So I took like half of a BNB and got into another project. Baked Beans the contract has been declining. I think it's just for people, a lot more people are eating and putting in other projects. But I do still think there's a lot of upside. So I'm going to take 2 BNB for myself. It's getting close to the first of the month. Y'all know that rent, mortgage, car, all that real life pressure is coming. So you got to prepare ahead of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay myself today out of this platform. But this account doing about 2.5 BNBs a day. That's right at $1,000, $1,100, depending on the price fluctuation of this contract and also the price of BNB. There's a lot of different factors that go into determining what your daily pay is. I would recommend when you first start, and especially if you have a small account, to reinvest 6 times for at least a week or two, and then 6 times reinvest and take 1 day. And then after like a week, like 2 weeks in, maybe you can start eating twice a week. Reinvest 5 days and take 2. But we are in this to make money. Let's make no mistake about it. Don't let nobody talk you into reinvesting too much. Get you some money up out of Beans and all these other platforms. We are in this to make money. I am on this channel to show you how I'm making money. So that's what this channel is all about. This is an abundance channel. We're trying to show many ways to make money. Just not with crypto stocks. There's so many different ways, YouTube, to make money. So that's what motivated me to start this channel, because I was already doing these things. So I just wanted to share. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this live withdrawal with Beans. As previous, the coin that is used is BNB, BSC. And I want to be paid out in Bitcoin. And I'm going to send 2 BNBs. Two BNBs. That's $804. So that'll knock a hole in the rent or something. You know, got to get this pressure up off of YouTube. So we go ahead and we hit exchange. Now I need to go into my Uphold wallet to get my my Bitcoin address. Pay it out in Bitcoin. Bitcoin address in. There are other platforms similar to Simple Swipe. I just happen to like this one. It works best for me. And then you're copying this address here, going into your MetaMask wallet. You're going to send, copy your address. We're going to send 2 BNBs. Confirm. And it is on the way. So I'm gonna see if we can actually show a live withdrawal all the way back to the wallet. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Now we just have to go here and monitor Simple Swipe. But yeah, guys, like I said, there's no perfect strategy to this. You have to manage your life the way you need to with these platforms. I'll never tell anybody what to do, but reinvesting definitely will increase your income. But if you need some cash for some bills, don't hesitate to take no money out. No one is going to judge you. Don't let nobody ruin your blessing. Like I said, while I'm waiting over here, waiting on this deposit, I know the baked beans developers, they were saying they're about to drop some more PR news coming soon. And I guess they're expecting the price of baked beans to increase just based off of new news. But it went up to 35,000, so we're still in good shape. Sometimes people are going to eat more, or new investors are not coming in. It's like that with anything, guys. Like I hear people say, "Oh, this is this, or this is a scam." Your job is a damn scam. If they don't have enough cash flow coming in to hire new employees, they got to let you go. So that means you got scammed. This is no different. You have to have more coming in any business in order to sustain and pay people. This is no different. So I just think it's funny that people put so much energy into calling everything a scam, but they work a job that they don't consider to be a scam. I just think that's funny. Should be here shortly. It's a business, guys. You have to look at even when you're on YouTube or any platform you're in, you have to treat it as if it's a business. No business can sustain itself if it doesn't have new clients and new cash flow coming in. This is no different. So I'm going to pause it real fast. All right, guys, we're back to finish that live withdrawal. So everything has cleared on Simple Swipe, pending confirming exchanging, and we got a deposit here, bringing this account to 17. I got a deposit for $785. $785. So there's like a little, it was like 800 and something that got withdrawn, and then the fees for Simple Swipe is like $15. So guys, another live withdrawal from baked beans is paying, no issues. Y'all come on in the family. Let's get this money. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here to show you how I am creating that cash flow online. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let's get them likes up. Let's get them up. Until next time, let's get some money.